What is up, guys? It's Mike here. It's been a while since we had a video come out, I think about a week, but today we did end up getting a brand new package in the mail. One of two packages, actually. I can't wait to see what this is. So yeah, let's open this bad boy up. Alright, so as you guys know by now, last week, Spin Master and Monster Jam LC, all of them released a special 4th of July truck that was coming out. And I'm pretty sure this is one of the packages. The other package I did get off eBay. It was a complete set of trucks, which that will be in another video here in a couple days. But yeah, I wanted to open this one first. This one, it doesn't have any eBay on it or anything like that. And basically a shipping label and my address. So this is going to be pretty unique. I'm kind of hoping this is the 4th of July truck, which I believe is Freebird. And if you guys remember my World Finals unboxing, it was definitely kind of a bigger box, mainly because I got the team captains for Fire and Ice in it. And this one, the Freebird trucks, I actually ended up getting quite a bit here. So I'm actually really intrigued and really interested to see how Field or Spin Master or whatever you guys want to call it basically pack them up here. So yeah. Alright, so here we go. Very cool packaging. So of course any packaging, you guys get the awesome this awesome thing. So there should be 6 trucks in here. Now a couple of you guys might be why did I get 6? Couple reasons for that. One, I want to see how the packaging is on these, and 2, I also have a couple people that are looking to get them as well. So here are the first 2 out of 6, and these are really cool. I love the packaging on them. So far, this one and the other one, I don't think there's any bent corners, which is a good sign. These look perfect, actually. So there's 2 trucks out of 6. And the way these are packaged are kind of like that, so you can kind of see how this was laying here, that was laying on the side. So hopefully we can get 6 for 6 here. So far 2 for 6 on the packaging. Taking a look at these, this one's a little bent in the corner, but nothing too bad. And these ones actually look good too. These were the ones that was standing up on the side, so that's, I would say, probably 3 for 6 if I was being really skeptical about it. And then the very last 2, this package is dented. That's okay though. Alright, so we found the one we're going to open, which is this one right here. But pretty cool. So altogether, I think this came out to about, what was it? Probably just about $80 with the discounts and coupons I had from the Monster Jam store. And this is a really cool truck. I really do like this. I think it was a cool way that Spin Master basically could have made a commemorative, or I guess holiday truck for the 4th of July. It's pretty unique too, because I do like the fact that they use the casting of the bird, which we only seen twice before this. We only seen it with the Wildfire or Phoenix, whatever you guys want to call it, that Fire and Ice truck. And then we did see it in Mix 12 of this year, which we're going to see it hopefully soon. Hopefully stores will get Mix 12 very shortly, and that is just a regular Freebird truck. But yeah, I'm going to go into a more depth review with these once I open one here. Really cool truck, really awesome design. Now I do have 6 of these trucks. Obviously I'm keeping 2. The other 4 I might do a giveaway, I might do something else. Don't really know yet. I know I have a friend that wants these really bad because they can't get anything from the Monster Jam Superstore. But yeah, once again though, I'm gonna have to agree that the packaging on this, the packaging on them has been a lot better. Even with the World Finals 21 truck, the packaging with Spin Master or whoever does the Superstore, whatever you guys want to call it, even though the packaging is just basically the trucks lined up like this and front into the box with this little wrap on it, all these have come really good, besides one that I can really say is really bad, but that's okay because obviously I'm going to open one anyway. But yeah, the packaging has been getting a lot better, especially how it was last year with the stunt truck and basically I think the Halloween truck, the Captain's Curse, because that one came bent for a lot of people as well. But yeah, pretty cool. I got these in the mail today, July 3rd. So I think these were ordered June 29th, I think it was. I think I ordered them June 29th, so really not that long. Not long at all. So very fast shipping, very awesome. And yeah, can't wait to open them. So I will see you guys in another video going to review these, but as for now, I'm going to unbox another video or another box here in a minute or two. So I'll see you guys very shortly. Alright, so today is currently July 3rd as of filming, and I ended up getting 2 boxes in the mail today. And the first box being basically the Monster Jam Superstar July 4th special edition truck, which I ended up getting 6 of these, and I honestly totally forgot about this box. 100% forgot about it. Obviously, with the whole exclusive truck coming out on June 29th, I ordered that 1, 2, 3, and that was like the one I was most excited for. These ones, I actually won these in a bid on eBay. However, off the top of my head, I don't remember what they were. I'm pretty sure they were Hot Wheels monster trucks. Even though the box does say Greenlight, I think it was Hot Wheels monster trucks. Not 100% sure, but probably like 85% sure. The Greenlight monster trucks, I do collect certain ones. I only collect like the Bigfoot ones, trucks basically I grew up watching. So yeah, Greenlight, really cool, but I really don't collect them as much, say like Hot Wheels and Spin Master. Now the cool thing was, I kind of forgot I ordered these. So when I had the 2 boxes come, I was kind of like, okay, I had a feeling with the exclusive, you know, the truck was coming. But these ones, I kind of forgot. And, you know, it's been so crazy here lately. Usually when things get really, really busy here, that's when, you know, I don't make as many videos, or a lot of videos don't come out during the week. Yeah, so I can't wait to see what these are. This is definitely a huge box. So with that being said, let's move all this tissue paper in here. There is definitely a lot of it. Yeah, definitely a lot. Alright, and now I can see the first truck. So these are definitely Hot Wheels trucks. And the first truck is right here. And it is none other than Trash It All. Or Trash It All, wow, Trash It All. So really cool. This is actually something I have not seen in Targets by me or Walmart's. So this case, I believe this is case, oh man, J, maybe? I could be wrong. I'm gonna have to look that up. I don't remember off the top of my head, but I'm gonna guess this is the complete case on this truck. And this box is a little damaged on the side, but that's all right. And looking at the other trucks in this mix, we got the Piranha, Trash It All, the really cool blacked out Hot Wheels Special Forces. We got Chassis Snapper, Psychedelic, V8 Bomber, and once again this year we are seeing another ride truck, which is basically another reprint. But here is Trash It All, or Will Trash It All. Really cool truck. I love how that is a garbage truck. I think that's really cool. And now looking at the rest of the trucks here, some more plastic, because there is a lot of plastic on here. Get all this out of the way. Alright, and the second truck we see is none other than Piranha. I guess what they were trying to do with the name there was make kind of like a joke with it. I mean, that's pretty cool though. I like that. This truck is definitely unique. That does look pretty cool and mean, but honestly, I'm gonna have to take a closer look at this. I don't know how I truly feel about it, but this is truck 58 out of 75. So we only really have about 2 or 3 more mixes of the Hot Wheels trucks for this year, so that's kind of upsetting. And then here we go with the first time this year we are seeing Psychedelic. Pretty cool truck. I mean, it's the same truck from last year, so that kind of hurts. And this is also truck 60 out of 75. Alright, so that's 3 down. The next truck in the box is none other than, I believe, the very last black and white edition truck for 2020, and that's none other than Chassis Snapper, and this is truck 64 out of 75. So this thing actually looks pretty cool. I like the colors on this. I like the black and white. However, I do think they should have came out with different trucks for it. And one thing I want to point out too with this truck, there's no front like printing on the grill, but in the render there is. And if they did that on the grill on the truck, that actually would have looked really cool. So once again, Hot Wheels, come on guys, come on, you gotta step it up. However, this truck does have a front printing, and this is something really cool. So this truck basically got released, I can't remember what mix it was off the top of my head, but this one kind of came out around the same time as Spin Master's Gravedigger ride truck came out. And I love Hot Wheels, you know, they're awesome, but one thing they really missed an opportunity with the ride trucks was, since Spin Master did Gravedigger, they should have 100% did Bigfoot. If they did a Bigfoot 8 ride truck, that would have been really cool, but you know, come on, it's Hot Wheels. But anyway, pretty cool truck. I do like that truck. I do like the ride truck. And we got 2 left. Here we go with another repeat of last year, which is V8 Bomber, and this is truck 61 out of 75. Pretty cool. I mean, I'm glad to see V8 Bomber back. And this is the original paint scheme from, I think, 2019. The first time we saw the 2020 paint scheme truck, it was that green kind of army truck, so that's pretty cool to bring that back. And the very last truck in this mix is none other than the Hot Wheels Special Force. And this truck obviously reminds a lot of people, including myself, of the Blackout trucks that came out. Really cool detail on it. I love the color scheme on it. It's truck 63 out of 75. And that's all that's in the box. So pretty cool. I have not yet seen this mix in any Targets by me or Walmarts or anything like that. So this is pretty cool. We actually ended up getting this pretty quick here. So we got We'll Trash It All, Special Forces, the Piranha, Psychedelic. Of course, the only truck they copied and recycled, I guess, in that one. So, decent amount of trucks. We got the entire mix. I don't know when these are going to be in Targets or Walmarts. Hopefully very soon. However, if I had to pick a favorite truck in this mix, it's definitely between these two. I can't really say for anything else. I'm going to have to take a closer look at them. But yeah, pretty cool unboxing. Totally 100% forgot about these trucks, that these were coming. I was able to win a bid on eBay for them for the whole set, which I think it only totaled out to like $27, which was pretty cool. But yeah, let me know in the comments if you guys got this mix, if you guys plan on getting this mix, or even just one of these trucks. I know a lot of you guys really do like this dump truck, garbage truck one. Definitely one of my favorites this year from Hot Wheels. But yeah, with that being said, guys, I will see you guys in another video very shortly. And yeah, hopefully you know, some Spin Master trucks and some more Hot Wheels trucks can come into Targets, because it's been a struggle here to find anything new. But yeah, with that being said, drop a like, subscribe, and I will see you guys in another video very shortly.